folks. Well, today's not gone as planned, but I'm going to be able to get this little video in looking at the plants in the front garden. It's been wet and it's been misty, foggy. It's damping down again now. It's been a terrible day. But one bit of good news, folks, well, depends how you look at it, is that my dad's going to be coming home, all being well, this weekend, so that's good. Hospital bed coming Saturday, and then I assume he'll come Sunday. Full plan of care and that put in place. Just gotta wait for them to ring me, tell me what's happening. But anyway, let's have a look at the flowers. Let's look at that. Come back every year. So we've got little daffodils, we've got the good old dandelions in there, because I haven't done any tidying up on this front this spring, so that is one of my jobs to do. And that's a primula. I believe that's a primula, long stem. I get my primulas, my primroses, my polyanthers sometimes mixed up, so don't take it literally. The weather has took its toll on the tulips this year. Assuming that's what it is, or it could be that there's lack of nutrition in the soil because I didn't top them up last year. You can see there's a few which are trying to come out, and obviously the daffodils now are all dying off, so they'll be all with the daffodils. Everyone has different methods of what they do. We just get the scissors on them and cut them down to about 4 inches high, and leave them like that. Some people tie them in knots, some people no, yeah, there's all sorts of ways, but that's how we do it. So we'll go through the troughs and tufts, troughs and tufts first. Oh dear, you can see they're all dead, they're all got to be. I'm not sure what was in here. I obviously never got around to sorting it out. I got a feeling they might have been the remnants of geraniums, so they'll be probably pulled out at some point soon. And you can see this one here, that's a baby polyanther, self-setter. Sometimes that's the beauty of when you don't get round to weeding and that, you get self-setters, and then you can pop them on. Let's see, I never got round to sorting this out last year, so this is all the remnants of one of the plants. Never mind. And you can see we've got yet more dead snails. They're everywhere, all dead. We don't know why. So anyway, there's nothing really to see there. I didn't realise they'd gone over so quickly. And then we've got the front bed here. Now, looking at this, you know, the polyanthers and the primulas and what have you, primroses, they're all probably going to come out. They've still got the best to come. But we have got other plants in here, because I sprinkled all seed, so I can see the seedlings and there's all sorts, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens there. A few dandelions, get those tidied up. So anyway, at least you're getting to see what it looks like as a mess. And you can see all this needs to come out, the pebbles, and it's It's very easy to pull out, get it raked and what have you. So there's not much effort involved. It'll be nice. It'll be nice maybe next week. It's meant to be in the mid-20s apparently. That's centigrade, so that'll be something to look forward to. And that's it, folks. That's all I've got really to tell you. I'm afraid I didn't get any more seed sowing done because one thing and another. I've been quite busy today. But don't worry, I'll be back again tomorrow for you. Okay, bye.